ये रथ मेरा मेरा जाहू बरसाने से जीवन शेयर करूं। ये रथ मेरा मेरा जाहू बरसाने से जीवन शेयर करूं। मेरा जाए इस तन का जीवन के चमन का, यहाँ पे सदा ही बहारे हैं। मेरा जाए इस तन का जीवन के चमन का, यहाँ पे सदा ही बहारे हैं। जहाँ जाऊँ खुशी पाऊँ, बरसाने से जीवन शेयर करूं। जहाँ जाऊँ खुशी पाऊँ, बरसाने से जीवन शेयर करूं। Hi, I'm Dr. Babli Malik, and the song I am singing, this is exactly the reaction of one of our team members, Kavita ji, after attending the mind healing program that we done under the Global School of Yogic Lifestyle. Before that, I have certain questions for you. Do you overthink? Or like, can you hold the mirror and then check yourself totally that your everything is so beautiful? Your eyes, your eyebrows, your nose, your lips, your blemishes, your dark circles. So, can we do that? Can we just break our old stereotype thought regarding our own self and then implant the new thoughts in it? Is it possible? Can you break the chain, the age-old thoughts? Can we feel guilt-free? Can we forgive ourselves? Yes, all these things are possible, and I am saying this very confidently after attending the program of mind healing by Yogic School of Global School of Yogic Lifestyle, and that is powered by our Guruji Dr. Prem Shankar Pandey. So the first day was very difficult to hold the mirror and then say everything, see everything, and just appreciate yourself. I could hardly do that, but then with time, after the end of the week, it was very easy, and we just started falling in love with ourselves. It was the reactions of most of the members, and so there was a lot of changes. First day it was very difficult to accept yourself as you are, then to break your own age-old thoughts, like when you are feeling guilty you are going to forgive yourself. That was impossible on the first day. We felt difficulty, we faced problems, some of us started crying, but sir with time he guided us how to do that, the technique of that, how to program your brain. So he started with certain affirmations, and he guided us to certain ways through which we can bring out all those changes. And then he implanted the new thoughts within in our brain, and there was a quite change at the end of the session. Wait, I'm not saying that that everything will be solved after this after attending a week program. So that is not is going to be possible. But sir has guided us the way. He showed us the path through which these things are possible. Okay, so if you have the path, if you have the routine and you know how to do it, so if you practice it and if you implement your life, it's going to be possible, trust me. And I'm doing I'm doing yoga for 1 year under Guruji's guidance. So it was quite easy for me, but still this program was quite eye-opening one, and it provoked the thoughts within our mind, and then that makes us possible to accept that yes, our brain can be programmed. So like we see that everything is being programmed nowadays. So the technology has advanced so much. So the greatest technical device, that is our head, we need to give some time for that, and our brain programming is possible. Just we need the right guidance. So at the end, I want to say that we are going to that Global School of Yogic Lifestyle has provided many programs and mind healing programs as well as your life changing programs. So definitely you should join and try once, just try once and say thanks to me later. So with this I am signing off. I'm Dr. Babli Malik. Thank you.